from Abigail Makes Crafts and More, and today we are going to be doing a makeup tutorial. Yay! Okay, well first what you need some pink eyeshadow, light baby pink, not that one. You're going to do this, apply it to your eye, lid. Supposed to look like this at the end. There. Okay. And apply it to your other eyelid also. I forgot to do. There. You should look like this after. There. And next you'll need some light brown eyeshadow. Okay. You need a little bit, stay with me. Okay. You'll need a dab. Don't put it under your pink eye. I probably should be doing this in the bathroom, and if any mistake is going on, but I'm a makeup professional. And now you're gonna do the same thing to the other eyelid. Dab. There. Now you'll need some primary. And you'll need to do it to the cheeks. So let's do that. Sorry, I put too much. Let's rub that in. There. Shiny. Actually, you need this again. And you're going to put it on your nose. I like shimmer on my nose. That's why I'm doing this. This is called Crafts and More, but this is a hat. Oh, but it's called More, so like, let's do this right now. So I want this color again. And you need some lip gloss. You'll rub it on your lips. I got it from Claire. I just hope it doesn't have that thing that enzymes the cancer inside of it. Because I don't want any cancer. You rub it together. And then you get your brush. I'm sorry. And it's just gonna be kind of shiny. But I want to get a pop color side. So I said, I'm gonna say sorry for looking in the mirror again. And then And even though this is a makeup tutorial, you need a little bit of smell in your nose. Okay. It really stings. It really stings. This is probably only has the saliva in it because it really stings. And your baby will cry if it has it on you. It hasn't. But got it. So you need some green. This is really good. This is really green. So like, I'm not gonna that much. You should really watch zombies too. It's really good. I'm ready for zombies too. You have to put it underneath the pink, which is going to be hard. But you know, I'm gonna make a professional mistake. Okay. Remember, if you do not have any green, do not use black, because it will ruin your eyeshadow. I actually look very good. But do you want to put the rice? I was saying it. But this is the look. I hope you like it. Please subscribe if you want to, and please like if you want to, and please view if you want to. Bye!